guys, kinakamit na ni Kuya Nasir yung ating pang ilalim. Ayan, adjustable camber kit. Ayan, yung ating coilovers, yellow speed, at yung ating camber kit na adjustable, hard race. Ayan, kinakamit na. Harap at likod yan guys. Ayan guys, ito yung isa, kabit na guys. Camber kit na, camber alignment na to, susunod sa wheel alignment. Ano, pakaganda ng ating shock. Tapos bago, brand new hard race. Surplus Japan DIRS. Yan, disc brake 7CL. Yan yun. Ayan si Shoei. Ayan, nandito siya sa lifter, nagawa siya. Ayan guys,